Yo, what's up everyone? This is Beatmaster. I represent BMT and Predators. I'm here in this beautiful place, special for channel Zamarist, with my tutorial, with my tips for you who wanna dance more, who wanna learn top rock. So I show you kind of a little step, like a little bonus for crossover Indian step, or someone says like it's cross step. It doesn't matter. So I show you this move. You need to be more attention, put it, follow your vision to details, okay? So, let's start. Let's get. The classic moves look like that, the step, when you count it like 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So you should to turn your hip more and work with your hands to make a more good form. And always 2, 4, 6, 8. You need to push more with the legs, like that. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so it's easy to understand if you know this step. So the bonus, the tips, how to make this move looks more original way, like more originally. It's better to say like that. It's like this. So when I do it, step to here. After that, I do it. Think like this. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Once again, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and then turn to here. So 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And then you do the same to the other side with the left legs. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 with the left legs again. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. But when you listen to music, the rhythm can change by this move. So you need to be careful and learn with this kind of rhythm. So I cut it some part to put this original cross step on the beat to the music. How? So if I will do it like this, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So I cannot do this like on the breaking line beat which we prefer when we dance. So I cut it the half. So 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. So you cannot do it like this. It will be like a broken. So with the right rhythm, I will show you a little bit like after, but first one side, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And if you're more comfortable to use this side, you start from this side, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So the move is like this. So all together, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So you need to prefer from right legs to start or with the left. Is the first. The second thing, after the cross step, you do it kind of hook back, and then you kick it like this. So like 1 and 2, 3, 4, and then So it's kind of hard to explain why, because mostly I adapt this step on the beat, and in the moment I try to build the right rhythm with this move. So the most important part of these tips for you guys to take this part. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Da 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 da. It's like a clock. Da 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 da. And I think if after this advice I will watch my video, I will see more details. For example, how you work with the body. So because like when I do the cross step, so it's like this, and then I change to here. You see? Boom boom ba, 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 boom boom ba. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Don't be afraid to kick it like this. So I think it's kind of good and new ideas for me, which I prefer to take and work with Top Rock because I really love, and I use so much Top Rock in my breaking because I feel the Top Rock is the passport of every b-boy and b-girl. So please use this move, learn how you like. If you like, you put the like. If you don't like, you do it twice, more like. And after that I will be pushing more, you know. So guys, good luck, hope you like it and you enjoyed of this move. Peace and see you soon somewhere, I don't know, in the planet. Take care, be humble, God bless, bye bye.